A student sent me a question about this problem number 15 on the integral review, and here it is worked out. Let's start with defining u. We read the hint on the worksheet that says to let u equal 1 plus the square root of x. And if we do the derivative of 1, we get 0. And then we do the derivative of the square root of x to get 1 over 2 square root of x dx. We could write that just dx over 2 square root of x. When we make the substitution, we replace the 1 plus the square root of x with u. So we end up with the integral of dx over the square root of x times 1 over u squared. Now we can write that 1 over u squared as u to the negative 2. What we need to do next is we need to build our du. We need to build the dx over 2 square root of x. We're really close. We just need a 2 here, and we can counter that with a 2 over 1. So you can see that that 2 that I put in the denominator, it's like a 1/2. And if I multiply that 1/2 times 2 over 1, those multiply out to a 1. So I've not really changed the value of the expression, and here it is. We've got our du. So let me rewrite this. We'd have 2 times u to the negative 2 du. And now we're in business. We're ready to simply do the integration. When I integrate this, I'm going to still have the 2 out in front, and then I'm going to be really careful with this u. It's u to the, no, off to the side, I'm thinking, what's one more than negative 2? Negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. Don't forget the constant of integration. And so this u to the negative 1 maybe I should do this in different colors. Let me highlight this color so that you can see that this, oh, it's not a, sorry about that, let me fix that. It's not a negative when I move it down into the denominator, right? So that's how that u to the negative 1 becomes a u to the 1. So I move this u with a negative exponent to the denominator. But that negative 1, the pink negative 1, is still a negative 1. So I hope that it's clear what the difference is between those two, but let me know if you have any questions about that. So what is this? I could write it as negative 2 times 1 over u, right? Now all that's left to do is replace that u with the 1 plus the square root of x. So the final answer is going to be the opposite of 2 over u, which is 1 plus the square root of x, plus that constant of integration. And that's what the answer would look like. I hope that that helps. If you still have another question about it, please don't hesitate to let me know.